Welcome to our great Kronospan site in Tortosa. We are really proud of being one of the most important particle board plants in the world, producing 100% recycled wood panels. With over 450 million euros invested, our journey began 1 year ago when we produced our first board. Since then, we have been unstoppable. Every day, we can produce more than 2,200 cubic meters, and we can load up to 45 melamine-phase particle board trucks, serving satisfied customers all over the world, with more than 400 clients in Europe, Africa, Asia, and America. With our photovoltaic installation, we can produce more than 20% of the energy that we consume in the plant. We are already working in the installation of the windmills in order to be a 100% green energy plant. And we are not stopping there. We will make history as the first OSB plant in the Iberian market. It's a real challenge that we cannot wait to reach. Thank you for joining us in this amazing journey. The future is bright, and together we are just getting started.